Imagine waking up tomorrow and no matter what chaos hits you, traffic, criticism, betrayal, bad news, you stay calm, sharp, and in control. That kind of inner peace isn't just possible, it's trainable. The Stoics figured it out over 2,000 years ago. Let's dive into 10 Stoic principles that will help you become mentally unshakable. 1. Lock into a clear purpose. Don't drift through life. Define what matters most to you. Your purpose acts like a compass in storms. Without it, you react to everything. With it, you respond with clarity. Ask yourself, what do I stand for? Who am I trying to become? Make that your North Star. 2. Control your emotions. Don't let them control you. Emotions aren't bad. They're signals. But if you let them take the wheel, you crash. Pause before reacting. Breathe. Think. Reframe. Choose your response. The power isn't in what happens. It's in how you respond. 3. Own your mind. Your mind is your most powerful tool. Train it. Meditate. Journal. Question your thoughts. Don't believe everything you think. Focus on what matters. Guard your mental space like your life depends on it, because it does. 4. Stop taking things personally. Someone criticizes you. That's about them, not you. Offense is a reaction you choose. Reclaim that power. Ask, is this criticism useful? If yes, learn. If no, discard it. Either way, stay grounded. 5. Use discomfort as training. Don't run from hard things. Seek them. Take cold showers. Skip a meal. Sit with silence. These voluntary hardships build grit. If you can thrive in discomfort, you become untouchable when real storms hit. 6. Anticipate problems before they happen. The Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, visualizing worst-case scenarios to prepare for them. Before a meeting, a trip, a decision, think, what could go wrong? Prepare your response. So when the storm comes, it doesn't shock you. You're ready. 7. Know what you can't control. Traffic, the economy, people's opinions. Outside your control. Your actions, your mindset, your words. That's yours. Focus all your energy there. Let the rest go. Peace starts when you stop wasting energy on things you can't influence. 8. Practice gratitude, especially in chaos. Gratitude isn't about ignoring problems. It's about shifting focus. Even on your worst day, there's something good. A small win. A kind word. A breath. Train your brain to see the good, and the bad loses its grip. 9. Build inner strength like a muscle. Inner strength comes from facing pain with purpose. Own your mistakes. Forgive yourself. Keep going. Strength isn't the absence of emotion. It's the ability to carry it without collapsing. 10. Let go of attachment. People, results, success, they're temporary. You can love them. You can work hard for them. But don't cling. Don't hinge your peace on something fragile. Freedom comes when you show up fully and let go of the outcome. Final word. You don't need a perfect life to feel calm, grounded, and unshakable. You just need the right mindset. The Stoics handed us the blueprint. Now it's on you to use it. So start today. Pick one principle. Apply it. Live it. And watch what happens. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Like, subscribe, and keep building that inner fortress. You got this.